Hello everyone, my name is Devashish and this is an Ed Sharpener production. Few days ago we posted a question, a regional mathematics Olympiad question, and the question was like this. ABCD is a quadrilateral as you can see in the figure. AB is given parallel with CD and AB is perpendicular to AD. So basically there is a right angle at A and also AB is 3 times CD. So AB length is 3 times the CD. So I have tried to draw AB which looks like it is 3 times the CD. It is also given that area of the quadrilateral is 4 unit square and the circle that is there touches all the sides of quadrilateral, and then we have to find the radius of the circle. So this is the question, and unfortunately we did not get any responses, only one response which was a correct response, but we will see how to get this particular problem done. Now, what should be the approach to solve such a problem? There is a lot of information. As you can see, there is area for the quadrilateral given to us, which you know is this quadrilateral is definitely a trapezium because two lengths are parallel. So the area of the trapezium is given. Then one more information is about the relative lengths of CD and AB. And other thing that we know is that there is that perpendicular angle there. So we can say that we have 3 or 4 informations given in a particular problem. Now what we can do in order to get the radius is that we can assume some unknowns for some lengths, and one of them should be the radius r, and we will try to form 3 equations around those variables. Let's hope we can solve for r. So what we know is that the circle touches all the sides. So let us first name all those points. All right. So what we can do is let's name this point as P, then this as Q, then R and S. All right. And now we will assume some lengths. Now let's say this length here, get another color. So let's say PB is Y. So PB should be equal to QB because the tangents drawn from the point on the circle are equal. So basically this is also Y. All right. Let us assume RC to be X. Okay. RC to be X, and we will draw RP and then we will join C and some point on EB. So let's draw that as well. So this is the kind of construction that we have done. We have drawn RP straight, and yet we have yet to prove that this is a diameter. So I'm not putting center through RP. So let's just say we have drawn some CK parallel with RP. Now consider this. You see that the angle DAP is right angle. Let us say there is just length OR. All right. Basically, I know that RP is going to be a diameter. But see, if we just have OR, so OR is going to be perpendicular with DR because DR is a tangent and OR is a radius. So this is right angle. And similarly, you can say for OP. So OP is also going to be a right angle. And that means this is also a right angle. And that's why this is a rectangle. And that means RP passes through O. RP is a diameter. Alright, because DA should be equal to RP. This stems from the fact that even if you join OS like this, this will also be perpendicular. And therefore all these lengths, DR, this is R, then SD is R, AS is R, and AP is also R. Since we have drawn CK parallel with RP, angle CKB is also 90 degrees. So I'm just drawing a right angle there. This means the length KB, if you want to draw the length KB like this, that's going to be Y minus X. Okay. Now let us use the information we have to form the equations. Now let us use the first information that we have, which is the easiest to process, that AB is 3 times CD. So what is the length of AB? Length of AB is R plus X plus Y minus X, or R plus Y. So basically AB, which is R plus Y, which is equal to 3 times CD, and that is nothing but 3 times R plus X. So this is one of the equations that we have. Next information that we have is about the area of the quadrilateral, and so we know that the area of quadrilateral ABCD is going to be half times sum of the parallel lines. Parallel lines are AB and CD, so sum of the lengths of AB and CD, which is nothing but R plus Y plus R plus X times the height of this. Height is nothing but 2R, and that is equal to 4. If we reduce this using the equation 1, replacing R plus Y by 3 times R plus X, we get 4 is equal to r times 4 times r plus x, or simply you could say r times r plus x is equal to 1. So let us say this is our second equation. Now another equation that we can form is from looking at the triangle CKB. We know that CKB is a right angle triangle, so we can use Pythagoras theorem here. So basically CB square is equal to KB square plus KC square. Let's put the unknowns that we have. Know that length CB is going to be y plus x, alright. So we have y plus x square is equal to KB square, which is y minus x square plus 2r square. Now if we simplify, we have y square plus 2xy plus x square is equal to y square minus 2xy plus x square plus 4r square. It's very simple to know that xy is equal to r square from here. Okay, and this is going to be our third equation. Now we have three very good equations in r, x and y. Let us see if we can solve for r now. From the first equation, let us reduce that a bit and get the value of y from here so that we can put it in this equation 3. So from the first equation, we see that y should be equal to 3r minus r plus 3x. So that is going to be 2r plus 3x. Alright. So let's put this value y in equation 3. We get x times 2r plus 3x is equal to r square. So this is simply 2rx plus 3x square is equal to r square. We see that this is a quadratic equation. R square minus 2rx minus 3x square is equal to 0. If we factorize, you see that it is r minus 3x times r plus x is equal to 0. Since x and r both are lengths, we cannot have negative value for r. We will just have r is equal to 3x from here. So we have r in terms of x now. Let's use whatever we got from equation 2 to use this. So let us replace x. So basically x is equal to r by 3. We have r times r plus r by 3 is equal to 1. This means we have 4r square by 3 is equal to 1, and therefore r is simply is equal to root 3 by 2. And this is how you actually reach to the solution. I don't think this was a very difficult problem. What I think is that there was a lot of information to process and we don't usually know how to deal with such an information. But remember, always better to count how much information that you have, and then you can get the idea how many unknowns that you are going to deal with. Form the equations. Once you form all the equations, then you know how to converge to the answer by reducing all the other variables and reaching out for the variable that you want. Of course, because there is a lot of information like AB is equal to 3CD and the area of quadrilateral, and you could have used Pythagoras theorem anywhere by using different constructions. So there could be different ways of solving this. This is not the only way, but I think this is the most sophisticated way in order to get the answer. I hope you liked this solution video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share this video with anybody who would like to try this out. And please let me know if you think this problem was very difficult or it was relatively easy than what you thought. I'll be happy to put more videos if you let me know in the comment section, and we'll be coming back with more content. Till then, ज्ञान पीते रहिए.